Hi, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm giving a review about this garden hose stand. I did receive this as a gift in exchange for my review and I am so pleased with it. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about it and show you what it looks like up close. So putting this together was a breeze. It was really simple and quick. It is fully metal, so it feels very durable. It feels very sturdy. It has super large stakes to go into the ground, so it does feel secure, even with the weight of a large water hose on it. So it definitely sticks in the ground really well, and the look of it is beautiful, and it gives such great organization and simplicity when it comes to needing your garden hose or somewhere to store things, because there is a little wire basket on the bottom. So whether that's to store your garden hose nozzle or other items, it's there for you if you need it. So let me give you a close-up look of the product. It has this beautiful detailed work here on the front and back where you store your water hose. The frame of it is nice and thick, and the base is as well. And then you've got those big stakes that are really solid in the ground. And of course, you've got your wire basket here for whatever you want to use it for. All of the screws are thick and durable. It was so easy to get put together. And this is a 50-foot hose, so you can get an idea of what that looks like on there. There's definitely room for an even larger, longer hose, and I just truly love the ease of access it's going to give me to my water hose while also keeping it nice and neat and tidy. So if you were looking for a garden hose stand, I think this is a perfect choice and I would definitely check it out.